Welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, I'm Sirkay, aka why spend so much money on it when you could do it on a budget? Replacing a clipless pedal like the 540, Shimano 540 that I have here might seem like an easy task until you get to the actual doing. Then it gets a little confusing. Why? Because both pedals are unthreaded the same way. It's designed in such a way where as you pedal, the thing is actually trying to undo itself. And if designed otherwise, you won't be able to manage to take off your pedals when need be. To take them off, you will need the 6 Allen key. If you're looking from this part of the pedal, then you want to go clockwise. And if you'll be looking from this side, then you want to go anti-clockwise. Alright, so you get your replacement pedal. Clean the thread you're about to screw on. And clean the thread on the back as well. And that's why I keep my whole toothbrush, because I never know when it's gonna come handy. Apply some thread lock. And you do the exact opposite that you did when you were taking the pedal off. So as we're tightening, we're going anti-clockwise on the other side, and we're looking clockwise from my side. So to make sure everything is tightened, we'll go just once more from that side. And now it should be tight. And that's how you replace your MTB pedals. It might come off as a little easy, but then it can be a little bit intimidating if you don't know what you're doing. You put the steps on the other side if you're going to be changing the pedal. But in my case, I'm only changing one. That's the right side. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.